Most people walk past those stacks of 2x4s in the hardware store, thinking they're only good for rough construction. But I see something else. I see potential. Today, I'm going to show you how I take the cheapest, gnarliest 2x4s and turn them into a piece of furniture that looks like it came straight from a designer showroom. Alright, first step, don't cut your boards to final size yet. Always start oversized because these bargain 2x4s are notorious for moving around once you start cutting into them. Believe me, there's always some hidden tension in there just waiting to twist or bend. Now I joint one face flat. This is where the magic really starts. Once I've got a flat face, I can run the opposite side through the planer. And suddenly this rough, cheap lumber starts to look like something special. Next, I joint one edge square. Now I've got 3 perfect reference surfaces. And honestly, at this point, nobody would guess these started as construction lumber. Here's the trick. I rip the boards into narrower, cleaner strips. This removes those rounded corners and all the marks from the mill. What's left is tight grain, clean faces, and the pieces finally start to look like hardwood panels. Panel glue up time. The secret to making cheap wood look expensive? Grain matching. I take a few extra minutes to line up the grain patterns so they flow together. It's a little detail that makes a huge difference. Gluing and clamping. Not too tight, just enough pressure to close the joints. After half an hour, these boards are locked together. Once the glue's dry, I sand the whole surface, stepping through the grits until it's buttery smooth. For the frame, I'm using the same milled 2x4 stock. Cut to final size, make sure every joint is dead square. I assemble everything with glue and screws, then plug the holes so it looks seamless. Now, for the finishing touch, I hit it with a high-quality stain that really pops the grain, then top it off with a couple coats of satin polyurethane for that soft, luxurious sheen. And there it is. You'd never know this started as a pile of cheap 2x4s. It's clean, modern, and honestly, it could sell for a few $100 in any furniture store. So you don't need expensive hardwoods to build high-end furniture. All it takes is the right milling, a smart design, and a little patience. If you want a deep dive on how to pick the straightest, strongest 204s at the store, let me know in the comments, and I'll make that my next video.